All right, welcome back. In this video, we are going to create and register a custom UITableViewCell class. Now, we're doing this so that we can get the effect that you see here in the completed app, where we have an image, we have a title up top, and then we have a URL. So this is necessary in order to do it, and it's actually very simple. So let's go ahead and jump into it. All right, so up here at our social account, let's just go right beneath that and let's say class, and we'll say let's say social account cell. This is going to be of type UITableViewCell. And then we are just going to type in init and hit that first initializer. And then we're going to say super.init. And then we're going to hit that, pass in style and reuse identifier. Now, this is an example of something you don't really need to think about too much until, and it's more like something that will come clear to you, like why we do this, as you learn how to program in my videos, right? So just don't worry about all this if you don't understand what it means, but just follow along and you'll come to realize it sooner or later how it works, okay? It'll click eventually, I promise you that. That's how it worked for me as I was learning and continues to work for me as I learn. All right, so in here, basically we have our custom cell. Let's just say content view, and we'll say .background color is equal to .yellow. And then if we reload our application, obviously nothing is going to happen because we haven't really used this social cell anywhere. We need to register it and then kind of cast our actual cell down here as a social account cell. So let's go ahead and figure out how we can do that by copying the name of it, going down here, registering it, and then going over here and saying as exclamation point and pasting that in there. Okay, so get that code in there. Again, pause the video if you need to, but all I did was add in this highlighted piece of code. Now when we reload our application, it's still a UITableView cell, right? So it's still going to have a text label like it did before, but now it's going to be using our custom class up here, so we can use specific things in this class to make it different than the default UITableView cell. Notice how you get this yellow background color now. Now the reason it is still white there is because the text label has a background color. So we need to say something like cell.textLabel.background color is equal to .clear, okay? Now we're going to be creating some custom attributes in this cell, so we won't really need to change these properties, but we will for now, just to give you a clear understanding of how these things work and how we can actually get it to look exactly how we want it for now. Okay, so that's it for this video. Very short video, but I just wanted to show you how we could get that social account cell created and registered. Now that you have that done, let's hop into the next video where we're going to put it in a separate file, and then we're going to also learn how we can get our entire social account inside of the cell and unwrap it and do stuff like that. Okay, so I'll see you all in just a second.